Another handy thing I've spent money on. It's a kit from Napa to remove power steering pulleys on GMs and pretty much anything uses this Saginaw style pump. Comes with several different adapters, and I'll show you how it works. And it comes with a good set of instructions. The thing's supposed to have a lifetime warranty. But yeah, if you work on any GM product or Ford product, it's probably got some kind of Saginaw pump, and it's really a pain to pull that power steering pulley if you ain't got that tool. So all you need to remove the pulley is these 4 pieces. Get this piece slides into here, and then this piece clamps around a groove in the pulley, and you can pull the pulley off. And then that handle holds both halves together. And then you put your ratchet on the end of the stud and just ratchet it off. And there you have it. The old pulley's off. And then that stud screws on the end of the power steering pump. And this stud screws on the end of that stud. And then you got a bearing, a washer, and a nut that's used to press on the pulley. I always try to make sure it's pretty true before I start pressing. It looks pretty good. And there's the pulley installed. It was pretty simple. And anytime I mess with GM power steering, I just go ahead and put some of that in it. But yeah, thanks for watching. You'll slip this belt back on, get this thing back on the road.